What is inspiration? What does it mean to feel inspired? When are we in the flow? Hi, my name is Oliver Farago and welcome to the Consciousness Adventurer. Today I'm here at one of my favorite places where I usually come when I need some inspiration or find some new ideas or to disconnect from the outside world and connect to nature, and also to get back into the flow because there's a lot of running water here and that helps a lot. And why don't you come along? When do we feel inspired? And by the way, what is inspiration? When do we feel connected and in the flow? When do we feel full of joy? Have you ever walked slowly through the forest and had a very good idea that came with a lot of joy? Okay, come along. Well, today I came here to find some new ideas, but the truth is that I'm not going to find any ideas. I think the ideas are going to find me if I walk through the forest slowly and in peace and not being in my mind. And yes, I observe everything, I'm in my senses, and I look at things that might attract my attention, like a fallen tree trunk, or a rock with a special shape in the water, and then I approach those things, I touch them, and maybe there is some kind of association or some idea that comes up, and then I go with it. And I'm here today using some coaching in nature techniques which work with the law of resonance, that things that attract your attention in a positive or also in a negative way have a message for you. So I watch everything carefully and have a look if there's anything that attracts my attention or maybe something that I don't want to see, and try to find out what's behind that. So that's it for today. This was a rather short video, and I found some answers and I had some ideas, or actually the ideas found me and the answers also did the same. And there is no answer yet to what inspiration is and what we are inspired by and when do we feel in flow. But see you the next time, maybe we'll find the answers. Take care, bye bye.